A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Shine Like a Rainbow, the horizon beyond the self. Ladies and gentlemen, every soul is a coded spark of divine intelligence, a living equation written by the cosmic architect to experience, evolve, and express beauty on earth. Each being arrives with a design, not to merely exist, but to unfold in awareness and radiance. Yet, in a world endlessly striving to become something more, the inner light often remains unseen. The horizon of fulfillment keeps shifting as minds chase reflections while forgetting the source within. The truth is simpler and profound. The soul's journey is not about becoming brighter than others, but about allowing its inherent colors to emerge after every storm, just as a rainbow appears only when light meets resistance. Modern science now echoes what ancient seers intuited, that humanity is born of starlight. Every atom in the body once flamed within a distant sun. The same cosmic pulse that ignites galaxies beats quietly within the human heart. The body is matter in motion. The mind is energy in awareness. The soul is consciousness in evolution. The human brain, a constellation of billions of neurons, holds astonishing capacity to think, choose, and create. Yet its true genius awakens only when thought, emotion, and intent move in coherence. Neurocardiology reveals that the heart's rhythm can harmonize the brain's waves, creating internal resonance, the proof that inner order shapes outer experience. Aspirations are the pathways through which inner potential seeks expression. They evolve with age, awareness, and circumstances, revealing deeper meanings of purpose. Within the DNA lies not only biological design, but an energetic blueprint, the script of possibilities, waiting for alignment with consciousness. Challenges, therefore, are not punishments, but portals. They refine perception, strengthen endurance, and unveil hidden strength. Ancient wisdom called this Agni, the purifying fire that transforms the ordinary into the luminous. Even the darkest night carries the unseen geometry of dawn. When human will bends under uncertainty, an inner intelligence awakens. The impulse to connect with the vastness beyond form. Through meditation, prayer, or silent surrender, the consciousness reattunes to the universal frequency. Quantum science describes this as field resonance. The Gita calls it Shraddha, faith born of alignment between the finite and the infinite. Then, almost invisibly, life rearranges itself. Circumstances shift, energies recalibrate, and the lost direction reappears. This is the cosmic connection, unseen yet precise. Just as after the tempest, sunlight bends through rain to reveal a rainbow, life too restores harmony when coherence returns. What's the way forward? To live beyond the horizon of the self is to cultivate harmony between reason and reverence, effort and stillness, motion and meaning. Wisdom gives direction. Courage sustains the passage, and compassion completes the journey. These three form the celestial compass of evolution. In such alignment, humanity rediscovers its essence, not through conquest but through coherence. Every calm mind adds order to the field of existence. Every conscious act becomes a color in the collective spectrum of awakening. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, existence is not a race to reach somewhere, but a rhythm to return to one's own light. The rainbow is the universe's promise that illumination always follows endurance. Hope is not external. It is the remembrance of divine continuity within. As Lord Krishna proclaims in the revered Bhagavad Gita, surrender all limitations, take refuge in the Supreme, and liberation shall follow. Do not despair. When the soul rests in that assurance, storms lose their sting. The sky clears, and consciousness, like a rainbow, shines beyond all boundaries of time, fear and form. Good luck, best wishes and God bless.